Using the Pomodoro technique for maximum productivity. We vaguely mentioned the Pomodoro technique earlier, but let's go into more detail because it's very effective. If you struggle with completing tasks due to procrastination, distractions, or organizing skills, the Pomodoro technique can help you combat this problem. Even if you don't struggle with those issues, incorporating this technique into your goals can help you be more effective. Everybody could benefit from increasing their productivity no matter what goals they're after. In addition, this technique is great for increasing your time management skills. What is the Pomodoro technique? The Pomodoro technique is an effective way to concentrate on a task. To use this technique, you'll set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on one specific thing during that time. When the timer goes off, give yourself a 5-minute break, rinse, and repeat. It would also be best to throw in a few 15-minute breaks, but this shouldn't be the default. Giving yourself a longer break to get a snack or get away from your workspace allows you to stay motivated. You won't get much work done if you're working on an empty stomach. Examples of times to use the Pomodoro technique. Although the most popular examples of using the Pomodoro technique include studying and school-related activities, you can use this technique for many goals. If you need to do something you're not keen on, consider using the Pomodoro technique to do the job quicker. You can use the Pomodoro technique to clean your house, work out, cook, or work, depending on your occupation. There's no limit to how you can incorporate the Pomodoro technique to increase productivity and accomplish your goals. How the Pomodoro technique fights procrastination. Focusing on your tasks can get difficult. Some people set the 5-minute timer to feel like they have time to prepare before they start working. This is an effective way to fight procrastination and achieve the desired result. Unfortunately, you need to make yourself do the things that are unenjoyable if they're related to your goals. These mundane tasks don't do themselves. When to stop using the Pomodoro technique. You can stop using the Pomodoro technique when you accomplish your goal. If you're using this method to stay productive during your workday, then you should use it until the day is over. Alternatively, if you're using this method to clean your house, you can use it until it's at your desired level of cleanliness. If you stick to this technique while working on your goals, you'll reach them faster. However, there are some situations where you can't use this technique. For example, you can't use the Pomodoro technique in workspaces that require consistent attention or with heavily regulated breaks. You'll need to find a different technique to keep yourself focused in those scenarios.